Hi and welcome to our first episode of Honey, I've Wrecked the Lounge. Here at the Leather Doctor, we get hundreds of calls every day from customers that have tried to clean their lounge or tried to remove stains using products that weren't intended to do so. So here today we're going to talk about the right products to use and show you some of the results from using the wrong products. Here at the Leather Doctor, we continually receive calls from customers that have damaged their lounge trying to remove biro from the leather. And the one product that they do use is acetone. This should never be used on leather. So here on this piece of leather you can see there's a biro mark, and if you read the internet, the first thing they say to do is get some acetone on it. So I'm going to show you the result of that. So I'm just gently rubbing over the biro, and we got the pen out, but we also took the colour out of the leather. And as that dries, you're going to see that we have now ruined the leather surface. As you can see, I've just created another line, and no matter how careful I am, even with a cotton tip, just going over the line, the acetone is just too strong for the leather coatings and will strip it every time. So if you do get biro in your lounge, the best course of action is to talk to a professional leather repairer and not handle it yourself. Now, a lot of customers use Jif to clean their lounge. Now, Jif is a great product in the bathroom, but is not intended to clean leather lounges. Okay, so what people don't understand is that leather is dyed and painted. So when you're using a harsh product like Jif to clean your leather, what you are doing is taking off the top coat and also the paint. And as you can see, we've already started taking colour out of the leather. So this is definitely not advisable to use when cleaning your leather. It will get it very, very clean, but it will be harder to clean the next time. Okay, so there are lots of household products that you might assume can be used on leather lounges. However, they tend to be quite harsh. They're used for general purpose cleaning, and the result is that it can dry the leather out and ultimately crack the leather, which then leaves the leather open to be able to absorb body oils. And this is a major problem with leather lounges. This piece of leather was taken from a leather lounge headrest. And as you can see, the surface has been broken and torn. What you can't see is what's on the other side. And this is oil damage from head sweat. This is quite damaging to leather and will make it easy to tear, as you can see, which should not happen with leather. So using general purpose household cleaners on a product like leather tends to dry it out, tends to start it cracking, as you can see, and the end result is it will be covered in oil. So the general consensus is do not use household cleaning products to clean your leather. Engage a professional and let them use the proper products. So the other product we want to talk today about is general purpose wipes. Now, these are sold in the kitchen section. They're designed for kitchen benches. They're not really designed for leather lounges or leather paint, and you'll see why. So I'm just going to gently wipe the surface of this leather cushion top. Now, I'm not pushing very hard. As you can see, it's taken colour off just from light wiping. So this is not a product unless it's a proper leather wipe to clean your lounge with. The Leather Doctor has been operating for 30 years. We are specialists in cleaning leather. It frustrates us so much to see customers using the wrong products on their lounge or going to the internet and getting false advice on how to clean their leather. So if you want to have your leather cleaned or you want to have a stain removed, please call one of us at the Leather Doctor. We have locations all around Australia, and let us help you get your leather back to the way it should be looking.